Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a special treat for you. We are making chocolate chimp muffins. You heard that right, chocolate chimp. Guess what the special ingredient is? So let's get started. As always, these are going to be gluten-free. So we're using 1.5 cups of gluten-free all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And make sure we sift those ingredients together really well. So I decided to enhance this recipe, so I'm actually going to go in and add a little bit of cinnamon and cardamom to the recipe. I think this really takes it to another level, so if you have these ingredients, please be sure to use them. You don't have to, it's still going to be good, but these really just bring it up a notch. After we set that aside, we're going to take 3 ripe bananas. The more ripe, the better, because it'll add more sweetness to the recipe. So if you have some bananas that are brown, don't throw those away. Those are the best to use. And we're just going to mash it really well. Add in 1 egg and then 1/3 cup of melted butter. So next we're going to add in 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using chocolate chunks, and these chocolate chunks have a little bit of hazelnut in the mix, so I thought that went really well, but you can really add whatever chocolate chips you like. Now the most important thing is, after we're done mixing with gluten-free flour, you do need to let your batter rest for at least 15 minutes before you bake it. If you're going to use this recipe with regular flour, that's fine. You don't have to wait 15 minutes. Be sure your muffin pan has been greased heavily so that your muffins don't stick. These are going to bake in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know that they're done when they are slightly golden brown on top and cracked. They will look a little moist though, so be sure to test with a toothpick, and obviously when it comes out clean, you know that you're good to go. And there you have it, perfect chocolate chimp gluten-free muffins. Look at these, the texture is perfect. When you open them up, it's like a perfect little warm muffin. They smell amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to comment and like, especially if you try this recipe. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much, guys.